Sup guys, Sai here. I'm here with
Chardonae.
and we're kind of in the zombie apocalypse again. Why does this keep happening to us?
Yeah, I don't know. 1 second, I remember being down on the ground, being eaten, and then someone saving me. And then...
Now? That was an easy first round. I didn't even fire a single bullet from this. We both have our entrances, though. Oh, crap. Except there's a third entrance. How are they getting in through the bathroom? Oh, no. Hey, lady.
My side's all boring. Oh, never mind.
Boring, huh?
What the? My gun did not have any sound. That was funny, dude. My gun's silent but deadly.
Dude, should I unlock this now?
Wait till round 3.
So we have time to run.
What?
Dude!
Silent but deadly.
Actually.
I think I broke my gun.
Okay, come on. Run!
Yeah, I definitely broke my gun.
Is that a 5.7?
Yeah.
What a suitable replacement.
Here's some points for you. I have this. I'm never returning this in unless it runs out of ammo.
The Olympia?
Silent but deadly. Silent but deadly. I love it.
Alright, I'm gonna go for the box.
It's like I'm not even shooting.
They sure won't know that you are.
This is like the best weapon in a zombie apocalypse now. If you had like unlimited ammo. Grab it, grab it.
Dude! I forgot it was one shot. And I'm just like, bam, and he died.
And lower rounds, like maybe. I don't know.
You don't know. I actually forgot where I got that.
Don't yeah.
Oh crap.
What are you doing down there, you big zombie? I'm just gonna put some grenades down there.
I killed the last zombie. He wasn't even out of the barrier yet.
No.
That's funny.
Ugh.
Meh. Wait, did you really? Meh.
Meh.
Eh.
Meh.
You hit me. You hit me, did me.
Hey, you. Don't break my wood.
Don't.
Hey, you're breaking. I'm fine with. Okay, you just messed with the wrong person. You broke my wood. Hey, you. Freeze. Dirt bat. I said freeze. Told you to freeze. Hey.
We used that last round, JJ.
Huh?
The freeze, don't move, stop moving, gosh, yeah, you bam.
Okay.
Ooh.
Go call blue.
Yes, please.
I'm a frog. Ribbit.
Oh crap, the train station!
Man, these poor cars.
Oh god.
Look at this semi. It's like,
I got him.
I got the silent gun. I don't know what you have, but I got the silent gun.
Alright.
If you look.
I'm gonna find something to trade out for this.
Am I going death?
Should I take it?
No.
No. Look, there's just like that open patch over there that's not even on fire. That actually looks kind of good. It's just like, nope, I'm gonna put everywhere except there. Hey!
I didn't get on fire while coming over here. Lol.
Wait, you could get over there?
Yeah. This is the spot I was talking about.
What? Ow! Did you just punch me? Dude, that chick literally just like punched me. Reload.
Okay, I'm good.
Dude.
It's a teleporting gun. Ow.
That's scary.
Hey you. Feel the silent. Feel the burn.
Yes. Chico come or this? I'm giving up that Chico come. Screw it.
Dude, it's so silent. Uh-oh. Not today.
I love how you're just like, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry, old pal.
You're giving it up?
Never mind.
You were actually gonna give it up?
The silent gun?
Yeah.
To run slow on ammo.
Well, if you keep shooting if you just keep shooting it like that, it will.
Get at my gang.
Timmy, I am your dad.
Jimmy. No, you're not.
Should I trade it?
No.
Okay.
We're getting horrible weapons, except for my silent weapon.
You, like, actually bought that from a wall, though.
Yeah. Ooh. Ammo. I just bought some ammo.
Yeah, so literally, you never have to give that gun up. Ooh, I can get a Remington shotgun. Should I trade it for this? Ow.
It's up to you.
Reload, reload, reload.
Okay, get it.
I'm still reloading. Bam.
Watch out behind you. Behind you.
There's so many.
Okay, follow me.
Are we running to whatever spot that you were talking about?
Just got clear away.
One bullet in the chamber. Dang it. Ow. No.
No, they just come out and we just be like, boom.
Dude, seriously, stop wasting ammo.
No.
He disappeared. I love how you can tell when they're aiming. Yeah.
They raised the gun up a little bit. I think my Xbox is glitched out a little bit. Like this.
Alright, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna go get that shotgun.
I'm going to get ammo.
It was worth it. Crap, the gates are open!
Oh well. We don't have to fix them. Yes, please.
Did you just get dual wielding 5.7s?
Yes. Watch out from behind you. I'm out. Here.
I'm coming.
Killing zombies. Hiya! One second. love this gun. And then for backup, I have these. Not today.
It's just like, and I just like pop him in the face. Oh, dude, I just realized there's like no magic on this.
What do you mean?
The magic. Oh, not magic. The
upgrades?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
That stinks. And here I was really wanting a laser gun. They're just like all freaking out. They're just like. Did you look at this guy? Just like. Not him, but.
You.
He broke your wood.
I would.
What are you gonna do about it? Oh, jeez.
Whoa. I learned how to shoot fast with this gun.
That was a majorly delayed explosion. Hey.
Teamwork.
We actually ran out of ammo for that round. Oh my gosh, you're all coming out of the ground over here. Like, there's like 5 of them who just did it. Ow! Jerk face. Do we need to retreat to the spot yet?
Yeah.
Crapple, 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 crapple,
I'm
crapple.
in the spot. Oh man, just get it.
Gosh dang it!
Get over.
I'm trying, I can't move.
Oh.
You left me. I was killing her. And now I'm gonna die.
No, you're not.
Oh god. Run! Why didn't they explode?
Okay.
It was worth it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna trade this in. That's getting weak now.
I'm gonna go trade this in right now.
Shotgun for a shotgun.
Yeah, and this one sucks anyways. So I'm going in after you.
Oh, baby. I'm good for upper. Get in, go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
This gun sucks.
Come on.
I'm getting guns.
You're gonna get eaten. So now a shotgun.
Yeah, but this one's good.
Oh.
Oh, she's dead.
I'm just reloading.
She like just dropped dead.
Oh.
You just cracked her neck, actually.
Well, we're gonna die now.
We got this. I believe in me. Should I get something to replace this one?
Yeah, but don't spend all day like you did the other one.
I was getting nothing but crappy guns, JJ. What do you want?
That's good. It's a money maker. Oh, let's get back in here.
I don't want to go back in there.
Okay, well, I'm going back in there. I'm not coming out.
Ever?
Ever. So if you get down, not my problem.
Dude.
I'm kidding. Throw your grenades. Grenades. Spam. Spam. Oops.
Doesn't matter. We're fine.
Quick scope. Never mind. No quick scope.
Crapple, 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 crap. Oh god, okay. Hold the lines.
God, we're reloading. Not today.
I think we were both just like holding it.
Did your controller run out of batteries?
Oh my gosh, it so did!
I have to reload. Ah!
Just hold on for a second, hold on for a second, hold on for a second.
Sometimes your controller does. Right when I have to reload.
Oh my god. This is something that's never happened before.
What?
I actually get more kills than you do. That's never happened before.
Yeah, but you gotten down 3 times.
I normally get down like 8. So. Alright.
It's 18 minutes.
I don't care.
And it, no.
Yeah. Alright, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like and subscribe button. Not gonna say Falcon Punch anymore because a certain someone got a little mad at me.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, if you enjoyed it, yeah. And